Here we go, it's Sandbagger here, breaking live from HOBBYBOX604 with group break 853, $10 mixer, 4-box mixer, group break 853. Anaheim on top with Jay McKee, all the way down to Crow 604 with the Winnipeg Jets. 2 trades to announce: Tampa for Dallas and Ottawa for Toronto. Good luck, everyone. Sorry? Yeah, no, it's full screen now. All right, let's start with, we'll just go from top. Let's do ice last. Do those 2 last. Go like that. There we go. All right, good luck, everyone. What's up, Northeast Nick? For the Carolina Hurricanes, Ryan Murphy, Fire on Ice insert. And a Johan Franzen prism for the Detroit Red Wings. Fire on Ice is not numbered. For the Colorado Avalanche, autograph of Ryan O'Reilly. And base. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, Freezers, Sergei Bobrovsky. Dummy. And a rookie for the Florida Panthers, I believe. Yep. Florida Panthers, Steven Pinzotto. Base. Alex, you're a big Penguins fan, right? Or am I wrong? I forget. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jerome McGinley, prism. Yeah, that's what I thought. Congrats, buddy. Oh, redemption, redemption, redemption. Rookie autographs, card number 270. For the Boston Bruins, Ryan Spooner. Not bad for the Bruins, not bad at all. Nice hit, Brian. For the St. Louis Blues, double strike, David Backes. And a rookie for the Carolina Hurricanes, Nicholas Blanchard. Oops, sorry. Put the hit in the wrong pile. Yep, Carolina. All right, that's select. No, Spooner redemption and O'Reilly auto.
Ryan O'Reilly?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's not a. And yeah, O'Reilly. Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. Not too bad. All right. We'll go 15-16 Series 2. Oh, sorry. Box number is 397. All right, sorry guys, I just got to raise up this chair. Human's short.
Come on, acetate high gloss.
That would be disgusting. Especially if it's the right player. Now that I'm higher, I have to move there.
You see Michael exclusive, at least Michael exclusive.
UD canvas for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. And base space. For the Dallas Stars, Brendan Ranford, Young Guns. For the Washington Capitals, UD game jersey, John Carlson. For the Winnipeg Jets, retro rookie of OPT, retro OPT rookie, Connor Hellebuck. For the Columbus Blue Jackets, UD portraits of Josh Anderson. Jets is Andy Y. For the Chicago Blackhawks, Young Guns of Ryan Hartman. UD canvas for the Florida Panthers, Jaromir Jagr. Sorry. For some reason, I thought of Ginla. For some reason, I have no idea why, but I did. Yeah. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Taylor Lear, Young Guns. For the Vancouver Canucks, retro rookie of Ben Hutton. For the Ottawa Senators, Matt O'Connor, OPG rookie. For the Vancouver Canucks, Human's favorite player, Jared McCann, UD portraits. Andy is currently not at the store, but I believe he is in the room. He's Kit's Lifestyle LAX. Nick Ritchie for the Anaheim Ducks, Young Guns. The Hellebuck. I'm sure you can work something out with him. He's just a OPG retro. He doesn't have it yet. Oh, I didn't even look for blank backs. Forgot. Oh, UD canvas for the Anaheim Ducks. Nick Ritchie. So you got the Young Gun and the canvas. I did not look for blank bags. Yeah, he's in the chat now anyway. Oh, am I looking at the wrong list? Yeah, I'm looking at the wrong list. Sorry, he's not in this. I apologize. It's Crow 604. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong list, guys. I apologize. Just looking for blank backs. I forgot they are in this. Nope, not black knight. Sorry, there's two lists beside me, and I was looking at the cup one. I apologize. It's Crow 604.
I'm sure he's okay
he's in the room too. Ben Hutton, LPG rookie for the Vancouver Canucks. For the Ottawa Senators, Young Guns of Chris Weidman. Come on, let's see something. some sort of exclusive or high gloss. For the Arizona Coyotes, UD Portraits of Henrik Samuelsson. UD exclusives for the Stinky Leafs. Not the exclusive that I was looking for. Jonathan Bernier. Hopefully you get it soon, Northeast Nick. That's just base. Patrick Sharp Peachy update base. For the Washington Capitals, O-Pee-Chee Glossy, TJ Oshie. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Anthony Stolarz, Young Gun. Oh, nice, Northeast next. That should be nice. Hopefully he signs it now. For the LA Kings, Jordan Wheel, UD Portraits.
Oh my God, their Vinings got traded.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Him and Bickle to the Hurricanes for second and a fourth, I think it was.
Second and third.
Second and third, yeah. For the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog, UD Canvas. For the Carolina Hurricanes, Brock McGinn, O-Pee-Chee rookie. And last pack.
There goes all the table cards now.
And for the Ottawa Senators, Chris Weidman, O-Pee-Chee rookie. That's it for 15-16 Series 2. Not the best box. Let's hope the other two coming up here are good. Teravainen? I'm not sure. Human asks, what nationality is Teravainen, guys? Anybody know? Finnish? Yeah, they're all saying Finnish. Yeah. Thanks, guys. All right. SPX box number 602. Chinese. Great Asian. Oh, that's awesome. I live in Richmond, Great Asian, so I know all about that. Donate the canvas card. Sure, correct. I will, I forget which one it is, but I'll look through and donate it for you, no problem. We have a random between 4 different teams. Alex Ovechkin for the Washington Capitals, Tyler Seguin for the Dallas Stars, Tampa Bay, Steven Stamkos, and Johnny Tavares for the New York Islanders. X jersey quad. We'll random that off at the end of the break. Base and base. For the Stinky Leafs, retro auto rookie of Anton Bibeau, number 35 of 399. Who has the Leafs? Oh, the Leafs were traded. Shane now has the Leafs. Congrats, Shane. For the Florida Panthers, SPX rookie of Logan Shaw. Decoy and base.
Come on, big hit.
Oh, Human's guy. Shift change for the Chicago Blackhawks. Artemi Panarin.
Oh,
Or Artemi Panarin. Sorry.
I thought you were saying McCann.
No.
I was like, again.
Your other guy.
Yeah, the guy.
For the Chicago Blackhawks as well, SBX rookie Victor Svedberg. Decoy base. So you're slick. You're waiting for 3 Sid redemptions. Wow.
Yeah, Julie's waiting for a nice one too.
Stick Wizards for the San Jose Sharks, Logan Couture. Decoy and base. For the Calgary Flames, shift change of Sean Monahan. For the Ottawa Senators, SPX rookie Chris Weidman. I think that's your 3rd Weidman card. Got the Young Gun, the O-Pee-Chee rookie, and the SPX.
Hey, a new PC for Ottawa.
For the Dallas Stars, Monochromatics jersey, Jamie Benn. And I guess the rookie patch auto is in the last pack here.
Or that Bebo would do it.
Oh yeah, we're at Bebo. Sorry, I apologize. I forgot about that one. And for the Detroit Red Wings, Stick Wizards, Pavel Datsyuk. Boo.
Can't believe these guys picked SPX over Platinum.
Yeah. What a poor choice, in my opinion.
Yep.
I love a PG Platinum. All right, guys. Ice 634. This one's going to be huge. Let's hope. Don't have a hit. Hope you get one here.
Let's go, big hit.
Yeah, those monochromatics are nice cards. It's the one decent card in that product. Even though they're just jersey cards, it's just a nice looking card.
I like it retro.
I agree, Andy. I love it too.
What, Platinum?
Yeah. Seems like ice and platinum are the go-to things this year.
Yeah.
In my opinion, anyway. Somebody else's opinion might differ. Good luck, guys. Yeah, cup is good too, Temple. I agree. It's just a little more expensive. Starting out with our exquisite, just base for the Montreal Canadiens out of $4.99. Patrick Waugh. Too bad that didn't have ink. That would be gorgeous.
Yeah. I love the Felix Potvin.
Yeah, that was a nice card. Yeah.
Nice looking card. Even the Miller is nice.
For the San Jose Sharks, fresh threads of Nikolai Gudobin.
Goldie, Goldie, Goldie.
Wow, scratch. I just read that. For the Buffalo Sabres at a $9.99, Ice Premiers, Linus Ullmark. Oh, not bad. 2-color patch for the Winnipeg Jets, numbered 15 of 15. Mark Scheifele, 2-color. Our swatches. Crow 604. Nice. Atta boy.
Could have been a better patch though.
Yeah. Just the second color, just barely in there. But nice. Got some seam in there at least. Not bad.
I know someone that will definitely be interested in that.
Auto's nice and clean too. Looks
Yeah,
like.
but the card is all scratched up.
Is it?
Poor guy, man. Every time he gets a card, it's scratched up.
The surface?
Yeah.
For the Winnipeg Jets as well, Nikolai Ehlers, Global Impact. Oh, sorry. And for the Montreal Canadiens, Zachary Fucali, World Junior Championships at a $12.99. Or would it change if I said I'm gay and love dick? Wow. Chat's going off here. Out of $19.99 for the New York Rangers, Mackenzie Skapski. 2 packs left, guys. Out of 1999 for the St. Louis Blues, Joel Edmondson. And for the Detroit Red Wings, Ice Premier's Level 2, Andreas Atanasiou. Out of 799, number 752 of 799. And that's the break, guys. We got one random to do between those four teams right here. We'll do that right now. Be back with the randoms. Thanks, everyone, for joining. All right. Not a bad break. Not the best box. Can I have the base for... Yeah, no problem, Gretz. I'll pull it out for you when I'm sorting it. No problem. I'll write it down on the list here. Yeah, unfortunately, Slick. Shifley wasn't bad, but yeah, it wasn't a great break overall. I agree. Okay, I'm just gonna do the random for this card, guys.
Our family is strong.
No problem, Daniel.
Dearly thank my mother and father for that.
Great.
The service was attended by some of the biggest names in hockey.
Okay, random.
Former Red Wings, and a few of the great legends of the sport, all on hand to pay their final respects.
It was really a pleasure to be part of it, although it was a sad day. You know, the people like Scotty Bowman and Kenny Holland and Stevie Eisenman, we just kind of sat
There's two breaks that are filling. There's 8 left in the double box break here, and then this one is already full. The Cup and Anthology is up next. Human will be back for that one. Human, come here for a sec. Oh, never mind. I got it. I just wanted to make the random here. Yeah. And you want me to go pick it up?
No, they'll deliver.
Okay. Yeah. Just tell me. I'll just write down what you want. I'll order for you.
What do you randomize?
We have to randomize this card.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah, sorry. I just wanted to make this bigger, but it popped up there. Okay. So.
If it was already done 3 times, don't change it.
Huh? No, that's the dice
Oh,
thing
that's the dice
first.
earlier.
Yeah, I just
Yeah,
haven't
okay.
wrote in the names. It's still rolling too.
Yeah.
Uh,
Washington,
Washington.
Dallas. Just put WASDAL,
Yeah.
TB, and NYI. TB, NYI.
Okay, here you go, guys.
3 times.
Good luck. Name on top after 3, or team on top after 3 wins the card. Good luck. 1, 2, 3rd and final. Good luck to the Washington Capitals.
Matt Trudeau,
Mr. Pianist.
Prime Minister, and Crow604 killing it today.
Randomized 3 times, guys. Thanks for the break. See you next time.
I didn't think you were.